Hello, Professor Boyd and Info 200 colleagues. This video blog post demonstrates one of the most interactive and unique web-based tools for the mountain biking community with crossover options for other trail user groups. In my previous blog posts, I have alluded to the website and mobile device app www.mtbproject.com. Through my research, I have found peer-reviewed articles by Chang, Ernest et al., Gallagher and Savage, and Jackson that all scientifically verified that information seekers use the internet extensively to research their outdoor recreational hobbies. While they did not really discover emerging technologies beyond what already exists, I can report on how the MTB Project app takes advantage of current technologies found in both your desktop and on your mobile phone or mobile device to get the most out of those sorts of technologies. Something to note about the MTB project as well is that while it's a website that's available, it's also available as a mobile phone app which adds in GPS tracking so you can see where you are on a trail. So we're going to get started here. I'm going to take a look at this trail that I rode yesterday near Carson City, Nevada. Looking at a satellite view, I can see that it's brown in the desert. That gives me a great deal of information using satellite imagery. I switch over to the topo map view, just very similar to how you would in Google Maps. And I can look at the elevation profile and then select the trail. Gives me all sorts of information about the trail. It's got an embedded link right here to Google Maps. I can download a GPX file, meaning that's a GPS type file. I can download it to my computer and then transfer it to a GPS device or a mobile device that reads GPS type files. It's got just the basic metadata about the trail. It's got a descriptions. There's photos embedded. So I get an idea of what the trail looks like. There's our top-down view of the trail. Also shows the elevation profile just like you would see on a GPS type device. So I can see this trail goes up and then back down, which is going to be a great time. It's also got weather information available, comments, has profiles for users, which makes it very social-like a social media type app. People can see trails that I've rated and read the comments that I've left about various trails. So I'd like to think that it uses a great deal of current and emerging technology, especially the phone app that I mentioned, or the mobile app, where you have GPS tracking capability as well. I don't imagine that unless these sorts of features were like embedded, implanted into my body, that it would get any more emergent in technology. So I think it's already pretty high tech for the mountain bike community. So anyhow, that's the MTB project. It has its sister apps, the Trail Run project for trail runners, or the hiking project. Additionally, we scroll down to the very bottom, we can also see there's the Powder project for skiers and the Mountain project for mountain climbers. So all very useful information for people in their recreational hobbies to get very specific information on how to go about picking just the right trail, just the right ski run, just the right climbing route. I don't imagine that it gets much more user-friendly than that. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video blog. Here are the references that I mentioned, and please leave comments. Happy trails.